he was the greatest scholar who ever lived. He is one of the strongest philosophical pillars of our Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. The personality from whom I derived a lot of inspiration and who is my hero is Shri Jeev Goswami. In Bengali, there is a proverb that whenever a mother wants to teach her daughter-in-law, she does it by instructing to her daughter. Similarly, whenever the Supreme Personality of Godhead wants to teach the conditioned souls in this world, he does it by sending his pure representatives. Shri Jeev Goswami is one such representative of the Lord. Jeev Goswami is Vilas Manjari in his original form, one of the close associates of Srimati Radharani. His father's name was Sri Vallabha, who later became known as Anupam. Sri Vallabha was brother of Rup and Sanatan Goswami. Thus, Jeev Goswami was the direct heir of all these three brothers. He could have inherited their wealth, he could have inherited their position, but actually he inherited their devotion, he inherited their knowledge. When he was 3 years old, Lord Chaitanya came to Ramkeli to meet Rup and Sanatan Goswami. At that time, Jeev Goswami goes behind the tree to observe this conversation. That moment, Lord Chaitanya turns and points towards Jeev Goswami, telling Rup and Sanatan that whatever work you both will start, this Jiva will continue. Thus, Jeev Goswami was personally empowered by Lord Chaitanya. Later, by the instruction of Lord Nityananda, Jeev Goswami goes to Kashi to study under Madhusudan Vachaspati, who was the disciple of Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya. By the age of 19, Jeev Goswami masters all the subjects and he becomes famous as one of the great scholars in Kashi. People used to come to him to get their writings verified from Jeev Goswami. When he was 20 years old, he left Kashi and he went to Sri Vrindavan Dham. There, Sanatan Goswami asks Rup Goswami to initiate him. However, Rup Goswami decides to test Jeev Goswami by giving him various menial services. Jeev Goswami happily does these menial services for more than 1 year, even though Jeev Goswami was the greatest scholar in Kashi. Seeing the humility and sincerity of Jeev Goswami, Rup Goswami accepts him and initiates him. Later, Rup Goswami personally carves the deities of Radha Damodar and gives it to Jeev Goswami. These deities of Radha Damodar became his life and soul. He used to worship them with so much love and so much devotion that these deities used to personally reciprocate with them. Whenever he would offer them prasad, they would take it directly in front of him. Thus, we can see that Jeev Goswami was an emblem of knowledge, humility and devotion. Jeev Goswami wrote more than 550,000 Sanskrit verses. That's more than all our acharyas combined together. He wrote many important books and commentaries. Some of his books like Gopal Champu, Harinam Amrit Vyakaran. In the Harinam Amrit Vyakaran, he teaches the rules of grammar using the names of Lord Krishna. In fact, Srila Prabhupada also in his various writings in Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, many times he refers to the commentaries of Srila Jeev Goswami. The reason why I take so much inspiration from Jeev Goswami is because whenever some doubt arises in my heart about this philosophy of Krishna consciousness or about this process of Krishna consciousness, my heart takes shelter of Srila Jeev Goswami. Because if a person like Jeev Goswami, who has done so much research, who has studied all the Vedic literatures and done all kind of research, if he is prescribing to this path of devotional service, then this path must be perfect. Another take-home message, what I get is that acharyas like Jeev Goswami, they have given their lives for us. They have given their lives so that we can get the teachings and the message of Lord Chaitanya. Thus, we should take it very seriously and very sincerely. I am eternally grateful to Srila Jeev Goswami for his life and teachings that continue to inspire millions of souls like me even today. And I am also very grateful to His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who revealed Jeev Goswami and his teachings to us. Srila Jeev Goswami Pad ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.